using functions and mappings. Now, a function is a relationship between two sets of numbers. So you can draw a function as a function machine like this. So this is a function machine. So we call this one input, this side output. So for example now, 2 plus 5 will give you 7, 4 plus 5 will give you 9, then 5 plus 5 will give you 10. That is relationship between two sets of numbers. Is that clear? So this one is what? Function machine. This is the function machine. Now, you can also draw a function as a mapping diagram like this. So this is a mapping diagram. So we have input from here, then we have output at this side. Is that clear? Now, inputs. So we have 2 is mapped to what? To 7. 4 is mapped to 9. Then 5 is mapped to 10. 5 is mapped to 10. So the input numbers map to the output numbers. Is that clear? Now, after that, so you can write a function algebraically as an equation. Now you use letter S to represent the inputs numbers, then use letter Y to represent the output numbers. Is that clear now? Like this one now, S plus Y is equal to what? S plus 5 is equal to Y. Is that clear? So this is an equation form. So this is the input and Y will be output. Is that clear? But it's more common to write equation like this. Y is equal to S plus 5. But you can show the function machine like this. So this is the function machine to represent this. This is S plus 5 is equal to Y. Is that clear? Then you can also write the input S and output Y numbers in a table. So let's see this table now. So this is X input 2, 4, and 5. Then output, they are what? 7, 9, and 10. That is 2 plus 5 will give you 7, 4 plus 5 will give you 9. Then 5 plus 5 will give you 10. So you can also write the function as an equation like this. Then more common to write like this. Now let's try to do this example. Example 1. Copy and complete the table of values for this function machine. Now this is the function machine. We have S. The function machine here is multiplied by 2, then plus 1. Then the answer will now be Y. Is that clear? So we are going to fill this table with this function machine. Now draw a mapping diagram to show the function in part A, then write the function in part A as an equation. Now to complete this table now, this is how to complete the table. This is the table. But the workings, let me show you the workings now. Now to work out the Y values now, you will firstly pick the first input, which is 1. You will say 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Then that 2 plus this one plus 1 is equal to what? 3. Then pick the second one. That is why we are having 3 here. Is that clear? Now the second one, pick 2. 2 multiplied by 2. This is the 2 we are multiplying by. Is that clear? 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. That is why we are having 5 here. So let's pick 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And this is the what? The explanation. So if this one is clear now, I would not like you to, okay, B parts. To show this one, draw a mapping diagram. So what we need to do is draw a number line like this, draw another number line for this one. Just map 1 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 7, then 4 to 9. That is what you will see now. You can see that 1 is mapped to 3, 2 is mapped to 5, then 3 is mapped to 7, then 4 is mapped to what? To 9. And then to write as equation. So it's going to be Y is equal to, this is the output. Y is equal to 2 multiplied by this S, then plus 1. 2 multiplied by S plus 1. And that is what you are seeing here y is equal to what? 2x plus 1. So this is the equation form, this is the mapping form, and then we have the table here. Is that clear? So if this one is clear now, I would like you to practice this one. Do this one for me. Copy and complete the table of values for the function, for this function. So this is the function mapping, this is the table. Draw the mapping diagram, then write the function in party as an equation. Then the second one, copy and complete the table of values for this function. So this is the function machine, this is the table. Then write this the question here as what? As an equation.